Yeah, hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Yeah, checha anipa bia a summary ubenya adaje na ode ahwe yen. Conscious TV Ghana. Conscious TV Ghana. Conscious TV Ghana. Yes, uja. Conscious TV Ghana. Uja. Mesere said ye bema dane da nyina ye di video beba na wonso wonsa beka video ni bi no ye di video ni ba na wa subscribe your YouTube channel no. Oh, wa subscribe it every time bia e ma wa alert say ye di video ba onso no obenya video di bi nso ayeden ahwe na yesre on saka video no nso bia na wa ayeden wa share video no nso ayeden e di amayen share video no ye bia ye ka say de o man Ghana ebe yi eno enti na ema ye nyina nso ye de ya no ayeden etumbi enye senka ye ni bibiye ye wo bibiye by Ghana edadwen sometimes ultimate nsem ni bi na wan kasana na ama kese ho kura adwuru ebia ofo se wo de wote abrochire ebia ofo se wote Ghana wo bibidi by ebia one day amfa ho a ebetumi afa obibi ho yenti ye nyina ye de ya no etum na ama omo a omadikan na dane da nyina omo ka things about Ghana no yenso kakra yenso ye de ya no betumbi no yenso ye de ya no ye den atumbi na ama oman Ghana enso etima ye den e de akwanim de bia de ka nyina se de be Ghana ayeyi ntia eye Ghana be yiyi eno ntina dane da nyina yenso ye de ya no etumubi ye de baso enye atemnidie ba be kana kasakwa nyansasem emma sebi obi nso tia ohun se nyansasem na ye eka enti eye Conscious TV Ghana ni nyina ebom Conscious TV Ghana subscribe ye YouTube channel no se de dane da nyina ye video a onso onsa ebeka bi dane da nyina ye bepembre ye bekwa bonten so eniema ekoso eni ho niema ese obi ho obeka se ma se yemfa ye ho ento yemfa Ghana ento abrochire by abrochire no so start say na Ghana enso tie no by because of discipline ene omo future plan no ema ensese ya eso de to oman no ama oman no so etima yede etimi agina ama yede etimi ayeye entare na oman Ghana over 62 years 64 years ye de dan nyina yentimi plan ema yentimi nyese said Europe anase America anase Asia etie dan nyina ye enua mema no mo enam desert eko Libya enipa ewu ebi mu nam ema yes niki omo eko Arab countries ema omkoye made treatment ayedi tritium entizenka omane aya enka hwan enka ebetu kwan sebi ebi anka nipa ne ko tu kwan a ebi na just ebi na ka oba school oba ye upgrade bi e woni school ho anase enema bi anase o tese enka oman mu ya enka obia betra oman mu ko obi nko Arab kro ema omo nko ye because obi ti Ghana ebi Arab kro nu kra na okoso no bosome o hwe akatua o yeden ye etua na is getting to ebi abese 1000 Ghana enunti and obey now so getting to 12 hours a day say all year juma 12 hours a day say all year juma but sen kan say papa bi o man mu e na kan niema ekoso e na san nipa na e use sa 12 hours na e de year juma e wo man Ghana ma me feel say enka yedi bi betima eden f baby eden e de aba by ye man Ghana de entesa enne no na make ebeka ho asem by akwakwa say the problems no dos no do enti wo start say wo can refufra a wo be hwe na bi fufro so ayeden e de abebom and na me can be about your healthcare system e wo Ghana your healthcare system and na me tie radio na me te say finance minister honorable Oforiata na waba America e ba hospital e shame e ma o man Ghana eyenim guase ema oman Ghana it last no me last video a me ye na me talking na me kasa about disabled people it me can be say Ghana de we disabled person then it means say akwakwa say onyame ayeden akese by adentina disable omo abrochire onso omo de enye se nyame na akese then it means say system na e wo oman Ghana mu no the system is not right Eniema nye de enkoso yie. Yɛhwɛ hospital akɛse ahohoro a ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana mu. Hwɛ hospital a Achampon ekosi ye. Hospital na di 45 years. Enti 45 years nti o patche sɛ anase ye patche sɛ nti president ahohoro bia ɛma so ya na. Ne nyina kɔ MPP NDC MPP NDC MPP NDC. We bana we kɔ we bana we kɔ we bana we kɔ. Enti hospital nke betimi afa getting to 2,000 people. Hospital ni si hɔ ama still hospital no bugu. Enti enye oman sika na yede yes a hospital na. Enti Achampon na onye president of Ghana. Achampon o de no ani botom sika na si hospital na. Obi enka nche me sometimes me nti ni ma bi ase. Because Achampon hospital na wo si ye no eyo oman Ghana sika na Achampon edisi sa hospital. Na sa Achampon ni so biem a I was expecting say even 34 president for kwa na mo bas no mantimi anye. Lawrence at that time of the military na ebetra so when timi mpo anye and go fizu and kakofo mobile no nka first thing that hospital must be completed by kofo omantimi anko ho atamu sentimi anko ho mahama baye kufo no so ba four term first term as esi or san kon next term still hospital no den esi ho sometimes me hu nyansa sebe onyame and just say just say oju hu just say o entiase. It's like as before 7 yem penny form di or minus no as a sebi nyansa kakra den abom because sometimes o twi sanema we nyina enne kolebu ko he kolebu se de kolebu adi din ewo o my God nemo so kolebu be kono machines kwa ye common extra kwa no obekọ na ebi ni ho ebi mpo ewo ho a oyebeka se asai enti ebi kolebu hospital common extra yebeka se asai enti asa wo private hospital and na se obi ono abie no private extra yi no wo akotwa extra ho ye wo lab bi ho a ese ka kolebu ka utimi yes ho no yebeka to se sa ho no emfanhye enti ese wo lab private lab people na me ka se enti lab omo use some machines no e de lab eni no omo no omankra mfia brochi na some machines na omo use no omankra sa lab machines na omo use no e de adwuma no kolebu ukoho aye beka se sa machine bi ni wanti ko so na ekona koye no say ni pan Jesus can atu ono an ebotom and the price of per en or de ebeto so maybe say into some machines no nipa no wan kra mfia brochi na some machines no wan kra into kolebu entimi nkra some machines no mfia brochi aban entimi nkra some machines no mfia brochi na ye wa doctor for omunimade ye wa doctor for nyame acha gifted a year it doesn't matter operation ohra abrofo ye no ye wa Ghana doctors almost betimi aye by because of say equipments na anyhow materials na anyhow betimi gina so dey operations into no just say if the patient come no so ombe hwe na nipa na eden ahwere nenenkwa ene 21st century Ghana hwe nipa ewu ema omokowo hwe nipa ewu enipa ewu ubeko hospital baby ema ewu baby omodeda ubeko na omodeda form na oba awaka no na oda form Ghana yeah we have gold, we have magnesium, we have bauxite, we have timbers, we have will be beer. And ya Bobisia, ya ko Bobisia, na enuntin just say ya boy and some our parliament. Ya Bobisia na president na eniaje. Say obaso no na ehia sika we ono na watimi akodi say sika we. Enye ngwase e ma o man no. Enti how many times and how many you betimi Bobisia sa. You betimi nti bibia be o man Ghana bia e besia. We are looking for empaniful leaders on Baba transfer on Baka say, Young Kobo Bessia Bium. By yet your mind near my ye war our mining mono, and one ye de ebe your mining ye. Ye president, ye politicians on Baba many more. They will think about the citizens. Ye be politicians and then penny for on Babaswa, on Baba G or mine because Omo di omo sika di. It is a private hospital cry wa Ghana. And sika aboden dollars and pounds and euros. Omo sika omo timi aiden akọ. Say so omo fly kwa buchira omo fly akọ. Obehwe Vice President of Ghana, Dr. Baumwa, and nan Oyare Britain pa ni apeja na okọ. Akufo the same thing ono so kọ. Empanifu aka omo kọ. Finance Minister of Ghana, Honorable Akufo Honorable Ofuriata Mufanchame. Na say Oyare oko America. Na oko America no machines na yedi eko show America no. Sa machines no ebi ni Ghana na. Sa machines wontimi nkra bi ma Ghana. Sa machines eba Ghana ebe blow system se wo oman ni mu ana. And the same machines Akufo-Addo eko Britain yede ko hwe no. Sa machines yetimi nkra bi ma oman ni mu. Machines ba umwa dan oko Britain ye ko hwe no. Sa machines yetimi nkra bi ma oman ni mu. Se sa machines ni me nyina gu kolebu a enti enchen oman Ghana na. A country over 64 years, share Malaysia. Na Ghana si so na Malaysia fe any oman Ghana. But she be Malaysia wo. She be Dubai wo. Qatar mo she be omo wo. Omo use omo resources no e dey return krono. Omo use enti obi ete Qatar. Na oye Qatar citizen na. Enti wo be ka kire me say enti sani pa no be sorry say okọ Britain akoye adwuma. So bit to Dubai, no ye Dubai niya. And to back at them says Sandy Pano or call of you ho air call Germany say or quack your pay Jumaya Naso or quack Siki Asalamo. It will never happen because on the resources yenya mapa e chronomo. And to the chronoma. You are so happy say be a woman. Healthcare yeah Juma. Be because everything is on point. And no hospital and no polyclinics, I are buying polyclinics. Sometimes I just say, what you can son and nurse cry there, I'm a frewide, I'm a wako. And then I got air cosui. And then I got air cosui. But when you are penifona and share, when you are penifona near the air, only the one say, yeah, you wait. Ye book pipe, common boho crana, cast by 20 ebediso. Then you put the sunny aqua, sika, best say, Sabi a himful. More as a Mosumu to me, Jana Mamma, na esifomano. Monsumu de Muhakobo politicians. Now him for fonts with the politicians, which near court transfer, honorable minister, honorable student so. No ma ban, no ma teacher, common boho. Common boho toilet crano almost toilet. Ye took ya sell petrol. No man send for that Jacobo tent. And no one minister be took MP eka and some man ne DC MC no mun nyina akọ semre for toilet. Sometimes who do what because na nyame crowd before crasing. Nyame obo before saying. We have everything. Yen and Kunyami Shira and said, and I'll share a trust minima. And the black people are those God has blessed us most because we have the resources. Europe, near America, near Hunyama, Omukon be yen resources. By near the resources na Kobobesia. And yeah, resources yen assassin. But we don't have authority. You need to me be our resources cry and a war of minimum. It resources and our year memo. But because of say, Jacobo Bestiantino, Brony will to me our yen resources. So. And then the air coffee. And every region must have a big hospital for a ma, for Encola, for hospital ward, accident ward. For operators, that hospital must take at least because Ghana you want Sasi. We have land in Sasini Guho. Every region be they are starting region upon regions. And the 10 regions nina. And each region be supposed to have a big hospital like Kolebu. will be ya cram machines aba, x-rays wom, labs there you wom, whatever, operation ward, be everything is intact. And if the person is so or yaria or what and that's what say young bejiska individual and nobody should obi yare. Then organization be a jiska. See the nipane air ko India. And then nanka India war and Ghana any. And then India and war and Ghana any. And so no be area. Then they discuss here didn't go India. Na sa India no machines na ho no. O mankra. Machines na India for use hospital no. And this hospital no India some machines na equipment na go no. That Indian hospitals no and o mankra na. And if you throw and a big Google hospital. But mo dia mo mpanifo mo yare pe na mo amam hoso because of say mo cry diplomatic passports and in revenue no ho and minister MP president vice president and ho niam mo yare ye na pam na masoro na mo ko America mo ko Dubai mo ko India mo ko Britain Switzerland Germany mo mam hoso na mo ko na mame oti ejom eton tomatoes so yare na so oni sa esikana and the sandy pan be den amma sandy pan ehwo ye den atono we don't have any plan be say on mine we have a vision say simple ye betimi aye to say ye betimi agina na ye welfare a healthcare no etimi aye den aye etimi asu obi aso ye ni plan bia President we ebe baswa ene be baswa meye we ene be baswa meye we o be tra kunya no so pe na ni refi na okọ na fofraba eti MPP NDC but we are looking for a president so ye MPP new so ye NDC new so ye CPP so ye Kwadonko so ye hwan yo oba be transfer or be changing the system of Ghana, the healthcare system of Ghana. Oba abe transfer because any power adwin bebre but kwakwa ese wo se wo mfa ho endwane party a wo no de enimdie bi ba ye to sa onimdie ne de egu abonten because you don't belong to any party but your professors for Ghana your enimdie difo e wo Ghana. We are looking for a president or be transfer or be kwan. I the donate sika. Say ye di be research. Ye herbal medicines are ye use no. Ye etimi establishing a well. Paniswa a woman a frefremu and also edi kwasasem e wo man no. Motimi the afesi omo nyina out. No omo nyina motimi achi omo putu omo. Atu baby eso omo da. Then the good ones na e herbal medicines no. The government na edisika shemu ma. No wetimi the ema apie ma ama yenso Ghana so yetimi ka say yenso ye herbal medicines do we ye made in Ghana. Ama America na say Germany na say hinfa. Almost what a yare awro bi a omo ni any means to say omba be gisa no ni bia de akọ. We are sick and tired. Oh my ye e will be bia. We have everything. The country have everything. Share your health care. John Mahama hospital here OCA. Say university then hospital here OCA. Up to now the hospital is there. Hospital no just rotten. Because of say MPP ne see hospital nti. Most omo ansini yo say odisika or there. Arrest those people. Put them on accountability. Want to see your mom behind of hospital no. So be a disika Akufo-Addo when I say you have the power to send the partner into jail. Put that person into the place as well in order. By 4 years, what baso? What's it any partner discover by still you and the hospital is there. Equipment all my crane now. It is rotten. What country is this? And then on mine cranny. Machines on crying machines in there the essay. Hospital is and woo. That hospital may save people. That hospital may save many people. But hospital is what? Most of more audit 4 years and to me auditing ye betra so ahwe say Akufo-Addo the term of office ebe fi so 4 years na ye 8 years na hospital no still omo emia no ye because of say Mahama na esi Mahama so the same thing MPP tamana Akufo-Addo mo MPP e was so at that time Kufuor wo their project Akufo so ye nyina atamas mo baso wo Mahama also bas the same thing mu just had money nyina edi go ya mu di citizens of Ghana bro anase mu di hwan ya bro sika na president no bas no di see no e ono ani botom sika anase your man esika. We need to catch some things right and then ekoso my Ghana. We are fighting say our health system should be better than this. Because my God, your friend Ghana, we are joking. And we are jokers called politicians. Because you hear your healthcare. Say Ghana, one way ye be uti cry a year. Because who run hospital now? The government hospital now. Sorry. The government hospital now. Even the lab, the necessary lab, I say, no. And once we do hakasa with you, and yes, paracetamol, and when your man had the amount. There is no possible lab will be a there is no internal checkup will be a best and unless you have your own money. So we'll call a private hospital. But how many people can afford? How many people can afford? Free insurance a year obi to media hospital. But that insurance it doesn't cover all medical bills. We are waiting for a government on nene call for a baby so matatic thinking. Say aha Europe ha ye woy. Insurance e crow your tax ye eti. And this open say on my Ghana or be a that access to hospital to hospital care. That's when your card need be crab. It doesn't matter say any planet on ice water, any planet on tomatoes, any planet on mako. You make it sure, say, and sana obenya service to that hospital where you know. Say moyeni free na want to be no so good. Moyeni so the every month be each person be will pay 2 cedis. Each person be the whole Ghana. We say everyone who turn tomatoes, who turn mako, who turn every month you pay 2 cedis. You make it on a digital platform. Obetime de o sikagu phone so de etua. Obesa o office wo kotua, otimi call kotua. My no branches, my no vendors omikofo betime de akotua. Automatic yetimi enso de etifi wo ho. Moye say every month bia wo de 2 cedis. 2 cities or be a bit metua, shoe shiny bet metua, the autumn in toast bet metua, the autumn ice water bet metua, the orchard truck sebi bet metua, the sebi or your mate needs to bet my etua. Why in 2 cities? Now you share the whole Ghana. So every month be a 2 cities if each person ho. Now you say. So 2 cities, no, the whole Ghana, how much are we going to get? Now say ye no kure, ye nisikana. So every month says sikano, ye nisika beti me and I generate. No why say that insurance card na e kura omu nyina no, it can cover everything. E cover medicine bia, and cover bi enya bi, and cover treatment bi enya bi, but it cover every treatment, it cover every disease. And we yare because of so kura card no, o ko hospital na yenya clock it ni ehun say o card no o en renew with 2 cities na, then you are not allowed. Enya why yare na we de o kwakotua. Then we won't try na a woo now we are now call to honor a show say a woo. You will pay for a penalty. We are looking for a government. We are looking for a leader. Our bedroom healthcare home. Or my healthcare so I yes say on my your resources. Because it's getting too much. We work at hospital, ne big did a form. Obi yare na edine to taxi mu or call hospital say empany ho. What the same country empany ho ne yasan tu no ne ne fi hospital ha ne ne kwa na hospital rich ye kwa yes empany ho ne ne kwa 37 ye kwa yes empany ho kolebu yes empany ho eti nipa ne da tax ni ma na nipa na yeden ahwe ne nkwa. I was in Ghana the other time. Polyclinic na me wo me ekoja obi na gas you all say oxygen a yedi esi obi so no enipa 4 eneti ho eto mo nyina hia oxygen no ba oxygen no e ba akopɛ ɛho nyina twintwam arrest na yeyifi we anu a ne da kotua we anu kakra yeyifi we anu a ne da kotua we anu kakra na me hwɛ polyclinic ho hwɛ ententan ɛwɔ ho hwɛ faala egu ho fa ne kura no etimi de virus eba eti ube fifie na onyare match ba ube call hospital ho ube fi ho kura na osan eyare too much because if fi crash hospital ho ma ye dia grow my Ghana. Yeah, dear God, we are looking for a leader. We are looking for a government. So it doesn't matter. Say government, you know. So ye Christo ni, so ye Muslim ni, so ye Hwai ni, so ye MPP ni, so ye NDC ni, so ye CPP ni, so ye Hwai. But we are looking for a leader. Obeba Ghana, obe change Ghana, obema Ghana, and so obede ababe krabeshe. Obema se obe so yaru African countries who or money hosua. Yes, the hospital in Ghana is the best. No almost fly almost no more about my Ghana mu. Then our politician will stop say where then we are here on fly and quadruche. I'm looking for a government or bebasua or back council say we are MPO, we are president, we are minister, we are here because the healthcare in the country no is the best. So you have no chance to fly. We are looking for a president who will do that. A conscious TV Ghana. A conscious TV Ghana. You see, a wucha. Your boss say, a wucha, a nibrasum. Because you say, my Ghana. The concept of thinking be a 1 penny for SSA. I don't think you are not to be. A conscious TV Ghana. You see, a wucha, a fire. Oba no share a seminal, share a seminal, share a seminal. Now subscribe your YouTube channel no. Your Conscious TV Ghana. Ni nyina bom Conscious TV Ghana. Na dan den nyina ye the video ba na onsan so etima yeden enso etima yeden e di akambi. Ye di ano ABC ha. De ye kan nyina say ye nyina fa ya no ntum. The healthcare of Ghana must change. Your healthcare my Ghana. Because enough is enough. We have everything. Here will be beer. By penny for sebi. Adrian, yedimi ebu mine. Atofum. And they are thinking of their own selves. Omo ability ni so omo yarepe omo mom ho so abrochire. But your tear crass here. The only says cano. Your ton tomatoes. Your mate ni. The only says cano. Or ya rea. Na ese oba bruchira. Ese kroni nyina. Ya donate ska. You be the 1 cedi, 2 cedi, 5 cedi. Sa. Into nya says kana. Ne ya edine ko India. Na India. Na India wo. Ghana eni. Na enro nyina ya de ba Ghana nyina no 70% for India. China. Ghana ye wo enhaban. Onyame hyira yen. Bo hyira yen enhaban. We are looking for government. We are looking for president of Obebaso. And a nibe tre healthcare. Obe dwen yen ebi bi dro ho. Obe pompi sikashem. Obe pompi. No omo akra machines abegu oman to say ye nya yen ankasa yenro. Etu we are here. Ye wo no papa. Now we fake herbal medicines ni nyina so eden efi the system. We are looking for a president. We are looking for a government. Our basso be changes anima wina. A Conscious TV Ghana. Yes, a wucha. Any braba. For anonso eden etumubi. Be a now intimate for video and so enkasa. And they are also obey a may and say share video no. Share video no na unya bi so nyede ono so nte na subscribe Conscious TV Ghana. Conscious TV Ghana. We are growing together. We are growing together. Mama yenye na eni pansunti your voice. Maybe our voice can change something. But we need all ourselves to push the video go. Medimano esi ha. Emre permanent. Yesan ebekasa. Ye basu say ya eyo man Ghana ho nsem kwa. Eyo man Ghana ho nsem kwa. But bia ese ye di kobia no ye de beko. But bia ese ye di wura bia no ye de bewura. Adaji bama se de bia na ese tipo yetimi enya time de video e de baso ka man Ghana masema ye beka. Ye de ano esi Conscious TV Ghana. Conscious TV Ghana. Eyewuja. Mon subscribe. Mon share. Onyame enkeka obi bia ho. Na ye mompaye. Ye nka ye hu mom. Ye no do ye ho. Na ye ma oman Ghana entimi ye den enyina. Ye no do ye ho. Unua eto form asoni mu. Ye nja ho ya. Ye nja enibre. Na ye ma odo enka ye ho. Na ema oman Ghana entimi ye den entumpo. Ghana be ye a efime ene efiwu. Ghana ebeye yi a efime ene efiwu. Etie na yenye na Ghana nye den intimi njina. Nyame asomdue engika obi bia. Mo beti minka. Mo share video no na mo subscribe. Mo bye bye.